I am gonna show you how to make $100 every single day from one simple guide that I am gonna give you step by step on how to do it. I'm not gonna hold anything back in this video. I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know. I am gonna give you an exact strategy on how to get this done today so that you can start making money immediately. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. It really does help me out. And if you have any questions throughout the video, go ahead and comment down below. I will be replying to your comments. So let's dive straight into the video. So this right here is the sales page for the manual that I want you to promote. Now, what's cool about this is they have a guide on how to make money on Facebook. That's exactly what we're going to be doing. We're going to be promoting this exact guide and making money on Facebook. But the cool thing is you don't just get access to this guide, you actually get resell rights to this guide, so you can sell this guide yourself and keep 100% of the commissions. This is a digital product, which means there's no shipping, there's no refunds, there's nothing like that. It's an instant download. All you have to do is send somebody a link and they buy the product and you get paid. You get access to a members area where they have all the sales pages, all the landing pages, the Facebook group, the whole nine. So you get access to all that stuff and you get resell rights to this entire package that you see right here. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and create a Facebook profile if you don't already have one. If you do, that's great. But this is going to be the profile that you're going to use to connect with people, engage with people, and ultimately make some sales. Next, I want you to join some Facebook groups. Go to groups, Facebook.com/discover, and then you can search for groups related to making money online, entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, e-commerce, whatever you want to search for. Just find groups that have a lot of members that are very active because you're going to be posting in these groups. Next, I want you to add some friends. Go ahead and reach out to some people that you know, some family members, some friends, co-workers, whatever you might have. Go ahead and add them on Facebook. Also, if you have any old Facebook posts that you did a while ago that were very engaging, go ahead and boost those posts. What this is going to do is it's going to put your name out there again. It's going to refresh people's memory and it's going to get more eyes on you. After you've done that, go ahead and create a new post and you can post pretty much anything that you think would resonate with people that are in those Facebook groups. Once you've posted that, go ahead and engage with your own post. Like the post, comment on the post, share the post because Facebook is gone. Now see that people are interacting with your content, so they are gone. Now push it out to a larger audience. You want to time this correctly though. So let's say you post at AM. You want to come back around 2 or PM and engage with your post again because you want to ride that wave of engagement. If you're able to do this consistently over the course of a week or two, you will start getting a lot of eyes on you and people are gone. Now start sending you friend requests. Now you can send them a message, and this is the message that I want you to send. Hey, I noticed you're in a few of the same groups as me. I am starting a new project looking for 10 motivated individuals who want to make a full-time income. Are you interested? If so, send me a message back with the word yes. If not, no worries. Have a great day. What this is gonna do is it is gonna filter out all the people that aren't serious. You only want to work with people that are serious. Once you get the people that are serious, you can send them the link to the sales page and they can buy the product and you can keep 100% of the commission. Now when you send them the link, you want to send them the link to your custom link, right? So when you sign up for your account, you should have created a custom link. Make sure you're sending them to your custom link. Something else that I want you to do is within the guide that you get access to, I want you to add your link to your main website, your main business, whatever it may be, so you can add that link within the guide. That way, when they go to buy the guide, they can also check out your main business. There's so many different ways you can do this. You can create chat groups. You can do solo ads. There's a ton of different ways that you can promote this product. One thing that I recommend doing is using the pre-made Facebook post that they have in the members area. You can literally just copy and paste these things and start getting more eyes on you. If somebody doesn't buy from you right away, you can always follow up with them. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you're hitting that like button and subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.